I believe it's your first time visiting us, so I would like you to welcome to our family at Disha. To explain to you how our company works, I would rather like you to take through some examples. Consider a man named Ajay who previously worked as an HR manager. Now he works as an associate with Disha. Now, what does exactly Ajay do and how does he earn from Disha? Ajay goes to our website and refers as a customer Vijay who wants a loan of rupees 20 lakh. How does Ajay earn through this? He earns through a referral program, which simply means that once the customer gets their loan, 1% of the loan amount is also deposited in Ajay's account as referral fees on the very same day. High possibilities that there might be more than one associate in a chain. How does the referral fee get distributed? Let's see. Now we'll see how it happens. Ajay refers Vijay to us, who in turn refers Sanjay, a customer who wants a loan of 30 lakh. Now, in this chain, Vijay also become an associate. Now, once the loan is passed, how will the fees be distributed among the two associates? You must be wondering why. Let's see. Vijay gets the usual 1% of the loan amount. That will be 30,000 rupees. While Ajay gets 30% of that 1%. Simple terms, Ajay will get 30% of 30,000. Ajay received, which is 9,000 rupees, which will be added to the money of Ajay. Now, it's not usual to know all the people who want some kind of loan, but your friends or the friends of a friend might. This chain of referral can get as long as it is. For example, take a look. Ajay refers Vijay to us, who refers Sanjay, and who refers in turn Rohit, who is a friend of Sanjay. Rohit is a customer who wants a loan for 40 lakhs. So there are three associates in this chain now. How will the fees be distributed? You must be wondering. Let's see. It's a little different, but the same principle. Since Sanjay was the one who referred as the customer, he obviously gets 1% of Rohit. That is 40,000 rupees. Now Vijay gets 20% of that 1%, that is 8,000 or 40,000. Now gets 10% of 40,000, which is equal to 4,000. Now let's add an associate once more. Shall we? We should. Ajay refers Vijay. Vijay refers Sanjay. Sanjay refers Rohit. Rohit refers Hari. Hari, a customer who wants a loan of 50 lakh. Now, how does the referral fee go? Let's see that also. Rohit gets 1% of the loan, which equals 50,000 rupees. Sanjay gets 15% of that 1%, which is 7,500 rupees. Vijay gets 10% of 50,000, which equals to rupees 5,000. And Ajay gets 5% of 50,000, which equals 2,500 rupees. Now that you have understood the referral of loans, that is not just it. You can see the total amount reflecting on the screen. Associate also get a fee for rupees 50 for every time they refer as a customer. For example, if Ajay referred Ram as an associate, Ajay gets rupees 50. Okay, that will be earned by Ajay as well along with the money. Now, Ram refers Varun to us. And when Ram will refer Varun to us, he'll also earn rupees 50 by this referral system. Now, we can see that on the screen reflecting. Let us now calculate the total payout Ajay got throughout the whole process. That is 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,500 plus 50. That gives it total 35,550 just from referring. So you can see that just by using your network and contacts, we can earn so much amount of money. As you can see, the HR recruiter earned Ajay. He earned 35,550 just by using his contacts, which you can do as well. I hope you understood our referral and payout system, but if you still have any query, reach out to us at this number or mail us at this email ID. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you.